Alright, let's see what $40 gets you. Sorry for having to make him go through this. God, I am. Morning guys, and just to see how the FRS is doing over here. What? It's freaking leaking. That was all night. Man, I guess that kind of happened for everybody else. Ugh. Perfect, you too, thank you very much. Wait, that's not even the exit. You guys got fooled. It's a prank, it's a prank. Street, one of the more famous foodie streets, or I guess like all around cultured locations in Vancouver.
Just for the memes.
Yeah.
The 1 minute.
What? That's what 10 cents gets you? Yo, Sonny, how much was your lunch, bro?
Dude, that shit was $40, man. I was like shook. It's like a serve yourself like a salad bar thing. And then so I put a fuck ton getting excited and saw seeing all the different varieties. Gave it to the lady, she weighed it, and then it was $40. And then I'm like, oh fuck. And then she's like, wait, do you not want it? I'm like,
lady, I'm still gonna eat lunch, but fuck.
Alright, let's see what $40 gets you at both. I literally took everything and I didn't care about no taste, no flavor, no nothing. If it looked good, I put it in. And that's what you see here. Kinda right. Bro, I saw everything and I just put it.
He let this do the choosing.
I love it. Yeah.
Sorry for having to make him go through this. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the f is this? It's like a drop.
No, their pads are a little light. Not much life left on the rotor.
We just have 2 e-scooters and 2 e-bikes. It's fully charged, okay? So you have 2 options to use the e-bike. One will be the pedal assist mode, okay? That means at the level 3, you pedal once and do 3 times more for you. So you go faster.
Yeah.
With less effort.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's it, bro.
Sweet, man. Yeah, we'll take it easy. Beautiful. Where have you found us, Sonny?
We are on the harbor thing now. You wanna go on our yacht?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's hop on our yacht.
Actually though, this is the Vancouver Yacht Club. We're trying to catch our friends who left like 30 minutes before us because we were still eating. But, whoa, what the hell? Oh my god. Yo, it's still on. We're gonna make up on time and try to catch up. I don't want one of these things. Pretty badass. Alright. Do tail whip. What if we just took the road?
All 40 e-scooters, let's go.
We'll find our way. I don't even think we're supposed to go this way, bro. God, I am. This thing's actually dangerous, man. I already fell once.
Watch out.
We booked it and we're just like, where are these guys? Maybe you passed us while we were on the pier.
Might have passed us.
Yeah, I don't know.
We were at that spray park.
Yeah, man, we made it. Let's go. Nice spot.
I think it's the first time. One time I saw him fall and he looked like a cartoon character. I was just like,
back away. Goods. How much? Everybody! Right, we made it.
Bunker Motel. Yo, we're gonna die in here.
Look at this
If anybody
place.
finds their footage, please tell our families we love them.
This is the place they film like Breaking Bad skits, you know? The ones where you're peeking out the window, making sure no one's following you, and then you do a line of... Just kidding. Come into this room. I mean, you know, for what it is... Oh man, the light doesn't even work. Okay, nice. But what's cool is this place is actually used for movies. Or some TV shows and series. Like, just look at how it's set up. Kind of almost looks like its own little town, you know, like Stepford Wives style.
Diving into concrete.
Churches. Yes.
Okay. Very crispy.
This is what we came here for.
Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep it here when it gets colder? You know.
I'm sorry, man. We're limited, okay?
So that I don't have to do it again for the rest of the trip.
Your blanket is a tablecloth. Hey, man. You know, it is what it is. Thanks, Oscar. Taking one for the team. Appreciate you.
3 days straight of this.
Yeah, I was just taking photos. What's your name, man?
My name's Akil.
Akil?
Yes.
Pleasure to meet you, man.
Awesome, and I know you had the FRS, right?
Yeah, it's just right there. How fast does this go, man?
It's governed at 32, but I
Okay, yeah,
But
that's still
average-
pretty fast, man.
I changed
Like
to 40.
3 gears. Oh, what?
Yeah, it
Like
goes
you
40.
unlock it or something?
Yeah, there's just a mode on the computer that allows you to bypass 30.
Yeah, oh, that's sick, dude. Super random encounter. I was just taking videos of the cars, taking some TikTok footage. Oh, and look who's back. Sick, dude. Let me know how you want to post up.
What do you recommend?
Oh, you got some of your products here?
Yeah.
Sweet, Akil. Appreciate.
This is large,
Yeah.
but it should fit because I manufacture from China. This is an
sweet.
NSX ship.
Cool,
There you
man.
go, especially in the
Well,
summer.
appreciate it. Yeah, yeah,
It might
yeah.
be pretty hot, so
Definitely,
you
man.
enjoy the weather here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's beautiful, dude. Yeah,
It's getting
yeah,
pretty
yeah.
hot, so I don't know how it is in Calgary.
It's hot, but it's dry. Like
Oh,
here
okay.
it's a little humid, which is like, it reminds me of tropical back home, so.
That's true.
Yo, thanks for the shirt, bro.
Yeah, no
Nice to
problem.
meet you. Chucky. These guys heading back to Calgary today. See you guys back there. Barbecues. Cool.
Are you Birdy? Oh wow, is this Birdy? Are you Birdy? Wow, who came up?
Damn. It has an Alberta plate on it.
I wish.
Alright, check it, friends. We are here on Granville Island, and we're just doing touristy stuff. So immature.
I'm struggling.
This guy's literally picked up just a good old classic blueberry pie.
That's such a fire looking pie.
It is.
Holy shit.
It does, yeah.
Homegrown.
Homegrown.
I watched it grow up myself.
What if this was a different shape? Cheers. Oh yeah. Look at you. This is how I do back home. Cheers, homie. Cheers, homie. Glug, glug, glug. You. Nice. Hey, getting into that. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Later. All right, boys. Back to the Hooker Motel.
Motel.
Hey, soju and hooker. No, what the fuck?
Fuck was that horn?
The Mitsubishi on the other side.
Oh.
Laid back. Got my mind on my money, and my money on my mind. Glug, glug, glug. So for the rest of the night, we stocked up on sugar, and of course we didn't forget our vegetables.
I'm really fucking with these chips.
Yo, they're so... And then we specifically waited until 3 a.m. so we could rationalize us having 24-hour pho where it doesn't exist where we're from. Was it good? Subpar. It was pretty fire at 3 a.m. though. See you guys in the next episode.